Think about the world's most successful businesses: Amazon, Apple, and Google. What sets them apart from the rest? The answer is their mastery of the partner journey process and the exceptional vendor relationships they cultivate. Fuel your business growth with powerful partnerships. Don't miss out on up to 15% off. Click the link in the description to download our game-changing template. In the journey toward vendor relationship excellence, the first stage is awareness. This premium PPT set provides tools and strategies to conduct market research, analyze industry trends, and identify the perfect collaborator. The second stage is consideration, where you evaluate potential partners, assess their strengths, and determine the best fit for your business. It's time to make the right choice and seal the deal with your chosen vendors. Use this PowerPoint template to pen down effective evaluation techniques, negotiation strategies, and contract essentials. The experience stage of the partner journey process helps you foster open communication, provide support, and create win-win scenarios. Deploy this PPT template and watch your business soar as you fuel your vendor relationships with strategies for expansion, innovation, and exponential success. Supercharge your vendor relationships with our Partner Journey Process Presentation template. For more such business-related presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net today.